Hello. Today I will show you how to easily make a gear in Onshape. So this is Onshape and we are using a free subscription. Let's go to Create, Document, Gear. Alright, and now we will go all the way over here to add a custom feature. So let's click on that. And we're going to type in Spur Gear, Spurgear. And we're going to scroll down until we see this one right here. Alright, and then we're going to click on this guy right here. That will add it. Spur Gear is added to your toolbar from version start. Okay. And then we click over here and we see Spur Gear is now added. Click on that. And it automatically populated Spur Gear. Now we can change this to whatever size we want. Depth of 20. Or depth of 10. Number of teeth, we can say this is 50. And module. So I would say that is the spacing between. Pitch circle diameter. And pressure angle, you can change the angle. Let's change it to 50, see what happens. It says between 12 and 45. Let's choose a 45. See, okay. So that's not going to be the best gear, but let's put in 12. There we go. And then we can go with helical. And that makes it so that it is twisted basically. Okay, and we can change from clockwise to counterclockwise, and we can also do this double helix, which this will then make one side of it one way and then symmetrically do the opposite to the other way. All right, and if you need to add a chamfer to the edges, click on that, and then you can add a center bore. So let's say the center bore is 10 millimeters, and then possibly a keyway. So very simple and easy way to make a spur gear. Thanks for watching. Bye.